Welcome back to World Explorer Mind, WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. This is World Explorer Mind, WEM, and every week we dive deep into the past, present, and future of our world, from hidden histories to global game changers. You're watching World Explorer Mind, WEM. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to join our community. Your support means so much. A quick subscription helps me keep making content you'll love. Your support means so much. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate you being here. Let's get started. China is a country of immense scale and diversity, offering a seemingly endless array of incredible places to visit. From ancient historical sites to breathtaking natural landscapes, the wonders of China truly live up to the name. Here is a travel guide to some of the most spectacular destinations you can explore. Iconic historical and cultural wonders, the Great Wall of China, Beijing. No trip to China is complete without a visit to this iconic marvel, the longest wall in the world. Its winding path over rugged terrain is a testament to ancient defensive architecture. The most well-preserved sections are near Beijing, with Mutianyu and Jinshanling being popular choices for their scenery and hiking opportunities. The Forbidden City, Beijing, located at the heart of Beijing, this former imperial palace was the home of emperors for nearly 500 years. It is the largest ancient wooden palace complex in the world and offers a glimpse into China's imperial past. Terracotta warriors, Xi'an. This awe-inspiring archaeological site features a massive army of life-sized terracotta soldiers, horses, and chariots, built to protect the first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang, in his afterlife. The sight of thousands of these unique figures is an unforgettable experience. Potala Palace, Tibet. Perched atop a hill in Lhasa, the Potala Palace is a majestic symbol of Tibetan Buddhism and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its intricate architecture and rich history make it a must-see for anyone traveling to Tibet. Breathtaking natural landscapes, Zhongjiaji National Forest Park, Hunan, famous for its towering sandstone pillars that served as the inspiration for the Hallelujah Mountains in the movie Avatar. Famous for its towering sandstone pillars that served as the inspiration for the Hallelujah Mountains in the movie Avatar. This park is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. The misty, ethereal landscape is truly otherworldly. Jinshanling Valley, Sichuan. Often called Fairyland on Earth, Jinshanling is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its multicolored lakes, cascading waterfalls, and snow-capped mountains. The scenery is particularly captivating in the autumn when the surrounding forests burst with vibrant red and gold hues. Yangshu and the Li River, the karst limestone mountains that rise dramatically from the landscape along the Li River, are some of China's most iconic views. A bamboo raft trip on the Yulong River or a cruise from Guilin to Yangshu is the best way to take in the tranquil beauty of the region. Huangshan Yellow Mountain, known as the most spectacular mountain in the world, Tuanjian, is beloved for its unique granite peaks, gnarled pine trees, and sea of clouds that often engulf the mountain range. It is a popular destination for hikers and photographers. Jianzhe Dongsha Landform Geological Park, Gansu. This park is famous for its rainbow-hued rock formations, a result of millions of years of mineral and sandstone sedimentation. The vibrant colors of the landscape are a stunning natural masterpiece. Vibrant cities and urban exploration, Shanghai, a city where old and new collide. Shanghai offers a captivating blend of futuristic skyscrapers and colonial-era architecture. Stroll along the historic Bund to see the city's impressive skyline and then explore the charming streets of the French Concession, Beijing, beyond the Great Wall and Forbidden City. Beijing is a city of rich culture and history. You can wander through the ancient alleyways known as hutongs, visit the Temple of Heaven, or explore the contemporary art scene, Chengdu, Sichuan. A popular destination for its vibrant food culture and lively nightlife. Chengdu is most famous for one reason: pandas. The giant panda breeding research base is a must-visit to see these adorable creatures up close. Hong Kong, a bustling metropolis with a unique blend of cultures, Hong Kong offers a spectacular skyline, world-class dining, and a mix of modern and traditional experiences. Take the tram to Victoria Peak for a stunning panoramic view of the city. Natural wonders and unique landscapes. Yuanyang Rice Terraces, Yunnan Province, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Yuanyang Terraces were carved into the mountainsides by the Han people over centuries. The view is particularly stunning from December to March when the terraces are filled with water, reflecting the sky and creating a surreal, otherworldly panorama. Harbin Ice and Snow Festival, Heilongjiang Province. If you're visiting in winter, this is an absolute must-see. The city of Harbin transforms into a massive winter wonderland with gigantic illuminated ice sculptures and snow carvings, some of which are entire buildings. It's one of the largest and most spectacular ice festivals in the world. Mount Kailash, Tibet. For the adventurous and spiritually inclined. Mount Kailash is a sacred mountain to four religions: Buddhism, Hinduism, Jainism, and Buddhism. The trek around the mountain, known as the Kora, is a challenging but deeply rewarding spiritual journey through a rugged, high-altitude landscape. Tiger Leaping Gorge, Yunnan Province, one of the deepest and most spectacular gorges in the world. Tiger Leaping Gorge offers a thrilling hiking experience. The trail winds through dramatic cliffs, offering breathtaking views of the Jinsha River roaring below. Ancient towns and cultural immersion. Pingyao Ancient City, Shaanxi Province, a beautifully preserved walled city from the Ming and Qing dynasties. Pingyao feels like a journey back in time. You can walk along the city walls, explore the labyrinthine street, and visit ancient banks and temples that tell the story of China's financial history. And visit ancient banks and temples that tell the story of China's financial history. Fengwang Ancient Town, Hunan Province. Known as Phoenix Ancient Town, this enchanting place is famous for its traditional wooden stilted houses that line the banks of the Tujiang River. The town is particularly magical in the evening when lanterns cast a warm glow on the water. Lejiang Old Town, Yunnan Province. Another UNESCO World Heritage Site. Lajeng is a captivating old town known for its charming cobblestone streets, ancient canals, and traditional Naxi minority architecture. The town is set against the backdrop of the stunning Jade Dragon Snow Mountain, Kaiping Diolu, and villages Guangdong Province. These unique, fortified, multi-story towers were built by returning Chinese emigrants in the early 20th century. The Diaolu blend Chinese architectural styles with Western elements, creating a fascinating and historically significant site. Adventure and off-the-grid exploration, Gansu Province and the Silk Road. For those interested in history and adventure, a journey through Gansu Province along the ancient Silk Road is a truly immersive experience. Visit the Magar Grottos near a treasure trove of Buddhist art carved into cliff faces, and witness the stunning Crescent Lake and singing sand dunes, an oasis in the middle of the desert. Mount Hua, Shanxi Province. Famous for its narrow, steep, and often terrifying trails, Mount Hua is one of China's 5 great mountains. The plank walk in the sky is an optional, nail-biting experience that attracts thrill seekers from around the world. Kanas, Lake Xinjiang, in the far western province of Xinjiang. Kanas Lake is a pristine alpine lake surrounded by lush forests and mountains. The remote location ensures a peaceful and spectacular experience, especially in the autumn when the leaves turn to brilliant shades of gold and red. That's today's story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next one. More stories coming your way soon. Don't just watch history, be part of it. Subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching World Explorer Mind, WEM.